This is it, guys! The Shiba Inu bull run signal was just picked, and it's absolutely crazy what this means for Shiba Inu coin and Shiba holders. I mean, I don't need to tell you what a bull run is going to do for prices and for your gains, right? But what exactly is this signal, and is it reliable? Well, make sure to keep watching to learn what this signal is about. But here's one thing I can tell you beforehand, though. This is a pretty good one. So strap in tight and let's go. Disclaimer. A prominent figure in the crypto community left an important warning message on their X account. The tweet states, "A mega alt season starts when an altcoin pumps 2x to 5x in its Bitcoin pair." Before going any further, you need to understand that alt season, short for alternative coin season, refers to a period in the cryptocurrency market where the prices of altcoins, or alternative cryptocurrencies, such as Shiba Inu, experience significant increases. Altcoins are any cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. Alt season typically occurs when there is a noticeable shift in market sentiment, with investors showing increased interest in exploring and investing in a variety of altcoins. During alt season, altcoins often outperform Bitcoin in terms of price gains. This phenomenon can be driven by various factors, including positive developments in specific projects, new technological advancements, increased adoption of certain altcoins, or overall bullish sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. For the Shiba Inu audience, alt season could mean that the prices of other cryptocurrencies besides Shiba Inu are experiencing notable increases. Traders and investors might diversify their portfolios by exploring opportunities in various altcoins during this period. It's important to note that the cryptocurrency market is highly dynamic and influenced by a range of factors, so alt seasons can vary in intensity and duration. Now, 90% of alts are still near their all-time lows in Bitcoin pairs. In the world of cryptocurrency trading, assets are often compared to Bitcoin, the leading and most widely recognized cryptocurrency. When the statement mentions all-time lows in Bitcoin pairs, it means that the value of these altcoins, when priced in Bitcoin, is currently at a level that is close to the lowest it has ever been. In simpler terms, these altcoins have not performed well in comparison to Bitcoin, and their current value in Bitcoin is relatively low. This information might indicate a trend where many altcoins are struggling to maintain or increase their value when compared to Bitcoin. Investors and traders often use Bitcoin as a benchmark, so when altcoins are not performing well against it, it can suggest a challenging market environment for those particular cryptocurrencies. Looks like the best time to buy. This is the time to accumulate alts for 2024 to 2025 mega season. Trillions are about to flow into crypto. Massive bull market is coming. The phrase accumulate alts refers to the idea of acquiring or accumulating altcoins, such as Shiba Inu. The tweet suggests that the current time is opportune for accumulating these altcoins with a long-term investment horizon, specifically targeting the period from 2024 to 2025. The term mega season implies an anticipated significant and prolonged period of positive performance for altcoins. The tweet is advising investors to build up their holdings in these alternative cryptocurrencies in anticipation of potential substantial gains in the specified time frame. A good strategy called dollar cost averaging could be very useful. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy where you consistently invest a fixed amount of money in a cryptocurrency at regular intervals, like every week or month. The key is that you invest this amount regularly, regardless of whether the cryptocurrency's price is high or low at that moment. This approach helps smooth out the impact of short-term price fluctuations and is considered a long-term strategy. It's based on the idea that over time, the value of the investment will generally increase, and the impact of short-term market ups and downs will be less significant. And this is where things get interesting. Shiba Inu has massive volatility that turned many early adopters into millionaires, and market watchers believe the token still has the tendency to repeat the sequence. Shiba Inu made its debut in August 2020, carrying with it a lucrative opportunity that transformed early buyers into millionaires. Being an affordably priced altcoin, even a modest investment in Shiba at its launch could grant many the financial freedom they desire. For those who invested $100 weekly in Shiba Inu from its launch until the peak price on October 28, 2021, the story of potential rewards takes a significant turn. As noted, a weekly $100 investment in Shiba Inu from the time it launched would have amounted to $6,400 at the time the token recorded its all-time high. Compounding the investments this way would have helped investors grow their portfolio by as much as $1.38 billion. A huge amount of money, possibly trillions of dollars, is expected to enter the cryptocurrency market soon. As a result, the person believes that there will be a significant and prolonged period of rising prices, known as a bull market, in the cryptocurrency space. But why is it the year 2024? What's so special in it? Let me clarify. In the crypto market, there's a concept known as the 4-year cycle, particularly associated with Bitcoin. This cycle is linked to Bitcoin's halving events, which occur approximately every 4 years. During a halving, the reward for Bitcoin miners is cut in half, reducing the rate at which new Bitcoins are created. This reduction in supply growth is seen as a deflationary mechanism. Historically, Bitcoin's price has shown patterns of increased activity leading up to and following these halving events. Traders and investors often anticipate reduced supply and potential increased demand during these cycles, contributing to bullish sentiment. And with the next halving for Bitcoin in 2024, people are very bullish. Don't forget that altcoins such as Shiba Inu usually follow the Bitcoin trend. In simple terms, if Bitcoin goes up, all the crypto market does the same. And here's something interesting. The bull market hasn't even properly started, but already over 80% of Bitcoin holders are in profit. In a recent update, Into the Block revealed that this achievement holds notable importance, marking the highest level of profitability observed by the leading cryptocurrency in the past 2 years. But here's more. Do you remember the Bitcoin ETF that is about to be approved very soon? There is a 95% chance Bitcoin Spot ETF will be approved by January 10th, 2024. Because SEC have met with Grayscale and other ETF companies multiple times in the last few weeks for changes in the ETF filing for approval. And you might not know that, but the approval of a Bitcoin ETF is highly likely, given BlackRock's impressive track record with the SEC, 575 approvals and just 1 rejection. Beyond the regulatory realm, this development holds profound implications for the broader cryptocurrency market and, crucially, for altcoins like Shiba Inu. Should BlackRock's trend persist, it sends a resounding regulatory signal, instilling confidence in the legitimacy of cryptocurrencies. This, in turn, has the potential to usher in a new wave of institutional and retail investors, not solely for Bitcoin, but also for other digital assets like Shiba Inu. But the story doesn't end with a Bitcoin ETF. It opens the door for the possible introduction of altcoin ETFs in the future. The success of these ETFs hinges on the broader market sentiment, and historically, altcoins often mirror Bitcoin's trajectory. In simpler terms, if Bitcoin's value surges, it tends to create a positive ripple effect across the entire altcoin market, Shiba Inu included. For Shiba Inu enthusiasts, this points to a potentially prosperous future. The evolving regulatory landscape, coupled with the market dynamics influenced by Bitcoin, positions Shiba Inu for increased visibility, credibility, and investment appeal. The success of Bitcoin ETFs might very well serve as a precursor to favorable conditions for the broader altcoin market, offering Shiba Inu investors the prospect of amplified success. But what do you think about that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinions. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out.